Hello everyone, I'm Lila. Welcome to my dreamland. Today I will show you how to make this Thanksgiving candle. Okay, now let's open a new part in millimeter. I'll select the front plate and the extrude base. Draw a center line first. I want the center line is the reference and the 50 millimeter. And I draw another one. Okay. Now we draw two circles. I make the select one and hold the control, select another, make them equal. Just move this a little bit, make them apart from each other. Okay, look like this. Lower. And the more relation, click the center of these two circles and make it horizontal. And then draw a line anywhere and then connect it to the center line. Check. And click this one, hold the control, select the line, make them tangent. Okay. Now let's use the trim tool. Trim this off. Okay. Select the center line again, connected these 2 points. Use the center line. Okay. Now I want to mirror this. Mirror this. Okay, now trim again. I'll see this part. Oh, see, there's small end here. Take care and make sure you trim them off. Okay. Now this is the heart shape we make. And select. Now use the linear pattern, linear sketch pattern here. And this the direction is the x-axis. And number of this I want to make 6. Entity, just select this line. The distance, let's judge here, maybe 60 millimeter or too big. Now let's make like 50 millimeter or 55. Let's try this. Okay, 55. Make them. I just want to make them a little bit connected each other. Not that much, just a little bit. Okay, now green check. Okay. Now use the draw a line. Use the line to connect it to this point and to the point in the end. This point and select, and then select the line we draw. Hold the control. Select the original point and make them midpoint. Delete the dimension of here first. Delete dimension, and now select the line we draw and hold the control. Select the original point, make it a midpoint. Okay. Now this is what we want. And now use the smart dimension. Give the smart dimension here to this line is 20, and then the center of the circle to the base is 30. Now select. Use the trim tool. Trim the. We're gonna extrude later, so we need to extrude this off. We need to trim this off. Okay. Now select. I'm gonna select the line again. I'm gonna draw a base for this heart. Okay, now give some smart dimension here. The height of this is 3. 3 is okay. Okay. Instead of this, just leave the number here, green check. Okay. Now select. You can select the fully defined, green check. Okay. Now we fully define this sketch. So we need to trim. We need to select the trim tool because yes, we need to trim off this part. Trim off this. Okay. Now green check. Exit the sketch. And now we use the select this sketch and extrude this part. Here select the mid plane and maybe 30 here. Let's try if they. Okay, 30 seems perfect. Then green check. Okay. Now this is the basic shape of our candlestick. Okay. Now we need to cut a hole on the top part, and then we get a space that we can put the candle in, and then reference plane, and we select the top plane. Top plane is parallel to the top plane, and then select this face is tangent, and then green check. This is the plane we want. So just select this plane and extrude cut. You can hide this plane. Okay. Now let's draw some center rectangular here. So see the line here. There's a middle point. Draw from here, like this. Draw another one. See if you can see from here. Because we have 6 heart, so we need 6 of this rectangular from the center of the heart. This is our front plane. Where is our front plane? And then another one. Okay. Now escape the sketch. Unselect this line. Hold Control. Select this line. This line. Select all of them. Now make them equal. So the center is the square, and give them some the smart dimension. Just adjust this. Maybe bigger. I want this like 20, 25. Let's see 25. Okay, 25 seems perfect. Maybe bigger. 26. 26. Now we fully define the sketch, so exit the sketch, and we're gonna select the use the hotkey Control 1. This is the front plane view. We can see the cut dips of this square. We don't want to cut so deep. Then gonna cut through the heart shape. So just adjust this. Seems 30 millimeter is okay because it's not cut that deep. Yeah, I just leave the 30 millimeter and green check. Okay. See, we have the place to put the candle in. Have the container for the candle now. You can put the candle in. Okay. Now select this face and extrude base. I'm gonna draw some sketch here. Similar. We draw some center circle here first, and from the center of this. Just lift anywhere you like. Just draw some square. The white sign, the white horse parallel sign in the right is okay. This means the center parallel to each other is okay. Okay. select this line, hold the control, select this one, and select like this. Okay, make them equal. Now this is the square we have. And then select this point, hold control, and select this point, make them vertical. And then select this point and this point, vertical. They're similar to all of them, and vertical. 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 Last one. Okay, made them vertical. Green check. Now select the center of all the square. Hold the control, select all of them. Make them horizontal. Okay, now green check. Horizontal. Now we can adjust the size of this. How big this is. Let's see. Okay, now since the size is okay. Now we use I'm gonna use the click the left click and drag like this. Okay, and release. For construction, click here for construction and do it once more. Do it again, and now drag from the right part. And now for construction and the green check. See, everything is the construction now. Okay, now just you can use the fully defined sketch. Okay, now let's draw the letter. First we use the corner rectangular. From this corner, draw a rectangular and this, and then draw another one like this. Now this is our T letter. And select, give them some dimension. I'm going to draw a center line from the center point of the rectangular. Select, and then select this line, hold the control, like this line and this line. Make them symmetric, and the green check. And here this line, hold the control, this line, make them equal. Okay, the T now is this big. Make it equal. Now use the trim to trim them off. We don't want this. We don't want this. We don't want this. And then this one. Don't forget about this one. Okay. And select. This is T. And now this is H. H is select the corner rectangle. Draw like this. And draw another one like this. Okay, select. Now make them equal. Equal length, and then select the line. Draw a line from here. Draw a line. Use the line to draw a line connecting these two lines. Select, and then use this one. Use the mirror entity. Mirror this line with this. Okay, I'll get another one and make them a little bit big to each other. Make the size seems equal, like that. Make these two equal. Now you can select this part and hold the control and select this one. Make them equal. Okay, I think it's okay. Adjust this part. And use the trim to trim off this line and this line. Okay. Select. Okay. TH now A. we draw a center line like this, past the center, and then select the line, draw a line like this. Okay, now select, mirror this with the axis, center line axis, and exit, and then use the line connected the top part together. Okay, select. Now select the line again. Select the line again. Redraw from this point. Draw something like this. Draw like this. Okay. Now select. You can mirror this. Mirror this and this with the axis like this. Then check. Okay. This is almost A is almost there. Just need to adjust some part. Okay, now select this line, hold the control. Select this one and this one. Make them equal. Okay. Now this part I want it a little bit higher. Select the line again. Draw line connected here. And select the line again. Okay. Escape. Move this down a little bit. Move this down. Okay, now we use the trim tool. Trim this off. Okay, now this is A. THA. Okay, select. Now N. We use the corner, the center corner rectangle. Draw two like this, and draw another one from here like this. Okay, and then select these two, make them equal. Make them equal. Okay, now use the line connected from this point. Draw something like this. Select the line again. From this point, draw something connect to this part. Okay, select. And then make this, hold this, and hold the control. Make them parallel. Give the relation. Okay. Now just use the trim tool. Trim this off. Remember, take care. Trip all of them off. Like this. Okay. Let's see if we can just make this a little bit white. Okay. Now, okay. Use the corner rectangular again. Draw like this. And select. You can select here. Only from the beginning. From select this line, hold the control, and select this one, and select this one. This one and this one, make them equal. Okay, all the sides are equal now. Okay, now use the line draw from here, maybe. Draw from here and up here, connect it to the midpoint here, and then connect it to this line, and draw here. Okay, give some relation. This one, hold the control parallel with this one, parallel, and this one parallel with this one. Go and check. Use the trim tool, trim this off. Okay, and select just the, I think this one and this one, make them equal. Okay. This is the letter K looks like. Okay, now let's do the last one, S. Draw a line like this, and then use the tangent arc. Tangent arc. Okay. Now draw a line again. Anyway, draw a line again, and then use the 3-point arc. Do something like this. Okay. Now 3-point arc. 3-point arc. 3-point arc again. Three-point arc again. Okay. I escape. For this one, I want to change to select this one, delete. I want to use the 3-point arc. 3-point arc. Edit them together. It look like this. Okay, so escape this. Select this line and delete. Okay, now let's drag it, make the DB shape. Select this one, hold the control, make them tangent, and this one and this one, make them tangent. This one and this one. Let's see if we can make them tangent. Oh, nice. Okay. So S shape is a little bit hard. So hold the control, select this one again, and make them tangent. Seems better now. Now let's adjust this a little bit. Okay. Now use the offset entity. This maybe 3. Reverse. Reverse seems okay. Reverse, okay. So, go and check this. Looks like this. Let's see if we can move this up a little bit. This S is a little bit bigger, so it's okay, I think, because it's really hard to make this S shape, and I like this shape. This shape, S shape, is even better than the one I did last time. Hold control these 2 points and the horizontal, make them horizontal, and then check. and this one and this one, make them horizontal. Now we use the line to connect it to this point, and this point, and this point. Okay, select. I think the letters are done, and the S seems better. Okay, now I think we just need to escape the sketch. I wanted the depth of this is the 3 millimeter. Let's see. Okay, 3 seems okay, and then green check. Okay, now this is the things we have. Okay, now select the bottom of the container and then make extrude base. I want to make a square candle container inside. So select the offset entity. Maybe here is 2 millimeter. And this one, the reverse. Is the candle size, and the green check, and then select the offset entity again, and the depth is 2 millimeter. Make sure the offset is offset inside. Okay, so it's another one, and green check, and then offset entity for all of them, and the reverse. Okay, now green check. 3 more. Offset entity. Reverse. Green check. Reverse. Okay, green check. The last one. Offset entity, reverse. Okay, now green check all of them. Okay, now exist the sketch. Extrude. Let's see. Control 1 again. This is the front plane, so you can see how high the candle should be. I don't want the candle too high. So let's see, maybe 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter, 25 maybe. I want to be short. 25 like this. 25. Okay, 25 is okay. And the green check. And this is the candle inside. Okay, now select the front plate and the revolve base. I want to use the normal tool key. I want to flip to this side. And use the center line. Draw a center line from the middle point of the candle, the up edge of the candle. And use I will use the 3-point arc. Make a simple flame. Take it here. So make the 3-point arc a little bit inside the candle. If you make the center point here, later when you do the revolve, then the flame and the candle will become 2 different parts. They're not connected. So I will make it down a little bit. So draw a 3-point arc. Let's see how big this flame should be. Maybe this big is okay. So I will make this big and make this. Okay, and now select the line to connect the 2 points of this 3-point arc, and then exit the sketch. Just revolve and the green check. Okay, now I get the flame like this. Okay, I can make the other one. So front plane, revolve base, normal 2. Use the draw a center line from the midpoint of the candle, and then draw a 3-point arc. Where's the 3-point arc? And a little bit down. And you can adjust this, make them the size seems similar. Okay, like this. Select the line and then connect the two end point of the 3-point arc, and then select exist revolve, green check. Okay, second one, and then select the front plane again, revolve base. It's the normal tool. Center line from the center of the top edge of the candle, and then draw a 3-point arc a little bit down. See the size of these things, of this flame. Adjust them a little bit, and like this. Okay. Use the line connected to the end point of the 3-point arc, and select exist the sketch, revolve, and the green check. It's another one, and the front plane and the revolve base. Normal 2. I want to normal this one, and then the center line, and then the 3-point arc a little bit down. Adjust the size of this. Use the line connected to the two end point of the 3-point arc, and select green check. Okay, front plane again, revolve. Okay, the last two. Center line, exactly like before. The 3-point arc, just the height a little bit. Okay. Use the line to connect the two end point of the 3-point arc. Exist the sketch, and the gray check, revolve. Okay, last one, front plane, revolve, normal 2, flip to this side, and then the center line, draw center line like this, and use the 3-point arc. And adjust the size a little bit. Okay. Use the line connected to the two end point of the 3-point arc, and select exit the sketch, revolve, green check. Okay, now let's see what this is look like. Now we can use the control 7 is the isometric view. And be the control 1 is the front view. Okay, the front view. Oh, I just rotated by myself, by hand maybe. Now let's change the shape of this. Okay. See here, this is the appearance paint here. We don't want to move again. So now the appearance, I want to use the glass for the holder, for the candle holder. So glass texture, let's see, maybe the clear glass again. Maybe this year we'll try this green glass. So select the boss extrude, hold control, the cut extrude. Okay, that's all. And then select the green and appearance to selections. Okay, now this is the container. This is a candle container looks like. I'm gonna change the color of the letters now. So letters is the boss extrude 2. So click here, and I just want to change the color of this. Color. I want color to be this red or this red. This is red. Okay, and then this is red. Thanks. It's red. Okay, now this is the candle. I'm gonna change the color of the candle. So just use the appearance here. Gonna give maybe this color. Okay, green check. This color of the candle, and I'll give the color of the frame. I like the LED here. So see the light here. A little bit below the glass, there's the lights LED, like the yellow LED. Select this one, the revolve one. Hold shift, select the 6th, then you select all of them, and right click this one, right click the yellow LED and select the end appearance to selections. Okay. Now turn off. Okay, now this is the new Thanksgiving candles looks like. For me it's pretty. Okay, thanks for watching and hoping like this and hoping to see you next time. Bye bye.